My name is Kevin and I'm here to help you get your hot water tank working again. Sometimes in the winter time it'll frost up and cause some problems, so it's pretty easy for you as a homeowner to do this quickly. First thing you need to do is come over to your hot water tank and unplug it. To do this safely, you want to make sure that you use a ladder or another safe way to get up to the plug. The plug will always be mounted close to the hot water tank, most likely above. Now that you've unplugged the hot water tank, we can go outside and I can show you how to clean out the vent. So these are the pipes. This is the exhaust and the intake for the hot water tank. Now the hot water tank, if it's out, the frost will have formed inside of this pipe here. An easy way to clean that is, if you have a tape measure, you can run the tape measure in through the pipe to clean that out. Or if you have a bottle brush, or even just a piece of water hose, running it up and through so that you can clean out the frost that's built out. Once that's cleaned out, we'll need to go back down inside the house. Now that you've cleaned out the pipes outside, the hot water tank will have reset itself as you've been outside. Now to get it back up and operating, we need to plug the hot water tank back in so that it will go through and do a cycle and try and clean out the pipe. So to do that, again, use your ladder and plug the hot water tank back in. Once you plug the hot water tank back in, it's going to run the fan and run through a cycle for a little bit. Once it's up and running, you're going to hear the burner come on, and then in about half an hour or so, you'll have hot water.